The hand times tables trick. In this video, I'll use my hands to share a trick that you can use to work out the 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s and the 10s times tables. This works only with these ones, not with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are much harder, so this comes in really handy. So if I want to work out 8 times 7, for example, so there we have 8 times 7, or I could do 8 times 7, it does not matter. So these two fingers that have been joined together and the other fingers that come underneath, like these ones, they will make the 10s. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 5 fingers makes 50. So this makes the 10s. We'll now go the 2 fingers that are free and the other on the other hand that are free, we multiply them together. So 2 times 3 makes 6. And we had 50 already for the 10s, so the answer is 56. So 8 times 7 is equal to 56. Let's try another one. Let's do 9 times 6. So there we have 9 times 6. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we got 1 times 4, which is 4. So the answer is 54. And another one, let's do 6 times 7. So we got 1, 2, 3, so that makes 30. And we have 3 times 4, which is 12. 30 and 12 is 42. So 6 times 7 is 42. It works with all of these fingers. It works with all of the 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s and 10s timetables. So keep practicing, try it out. It does work.